Okay, so to begin this dance move combination, we're going to begin with this movement right here. Nice straight arm movement, creating basically a diagonal shape with both our arms here. Step 2 is another movement to the side. Very similar, but instead of doing diagonal, we're going to go nice and straight, okay? Step 3, a salute. We're saluting with our left arm here. With the right arm, we bring it down to the hips. Step 4, I bring this arm down. I bring my other arm up like this with my fist. Keep my elbow up nice and high. Create a nice strong arm shape. And I lift my knee up at the same time. Now, step 5 is going to require me to kick out with my leg and also punch out with my right arm, both at the same time. Now, whilst that's happening, I'm also going to, at the same time, lift my left arm and I'm going to bring it up to my eye level here. Okay, there's a little bit happening there. There was 3 things happening there. This, and this. Let me show you one more time from the end of step 4. We're going to go into step 5 right now. Step 5. Okay, one more time. End of step 4. Step 5. So let's go from the top. It can get a little confusing right now. So one more time. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. From the end of step 5, which was the kick out, all we want to do is just bring it back into the starting position of step 4. We're just kind of reversing and coming back in. Okay, so from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just bring it back. Okay, awesome, we're almost there. Now, when we're finished position 6, okay, 7 is just down, and then to finish off the dance move combination, it's a step out, 8. Bring the right arm around behind you, left arm, just grab your junk like this. So easy. Okay, one more time from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay, some bonus content for the online course students. I look after you guys, so I'm gonna show you how to actually take this dance move combination to the next level. Okay, so you've done the dance move combination. You've gone pow, 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 in, down and out. Now, if you wanna know some cool things to finish this off, I'm gonna show you. Ready? So that was like a full 8 counts there, yeah, okay? Now from here, we can go.